Hello everybody, now we're in the capital of Memphis and it's pretty nice. And now let me show you something. That over here is some pieces of old buildings. These wine things were the first ever wine factory thing in Egypt. Egypt was the first civilization who made wine. And then these long pieces here are crowns of some kings. That's just hieroglyphic, more stuff. And then all of these are statues of a king. This was his entire capital place. There's more hieroglyphic stuff. This, I don't know what it is. And here was a statue of him, but then after all the times, his body got chopped, got old and fell off. And the second Sphinx is not as big as the first Sphinx, but it's still pretty nice. It was covered in a white stone. And here are the shops. They didn't have these shops before. They had shops like this, and they paid jewelry. Instead of having money, they use their jewelry as money. But the shops were different than this. But these are the shops. I think I just found a piece what a piece of Egyptian used. So we're going to go check this place out. So let's see what we can see. So this place, Egyptians used to write all of this on this wall. Like they did this, and they write it how they did everything. And we cannot touch anything. If we do, it will be bad. This is what some of the tombs looks like. Let's see what we can see now, everybody. This is how they pulled the giant statue. They put it on a boat. But I don't know still, how did the Egyptians make? Also, I never even saw a rock this big. And it's still pretty big. And this is a king. The king, I don't know, but maybe...
It's Ramesses II.
Yeah.
The one who had how many children? 96 children.
That's a lot of children.
Yeah, it's even more than this.
Hello everybody. Now we just came out of the place where we had a lunch. And now I'm going to show you around the city. So there's lots of dogs. And here is a temple. It's called the Mosque Temple. And also where the ancient pyramids are, there are lots of cats and dogs. Like here's a cat right there. And there's even some dogs over there sleeping, going everywhere. They're wild dogs. Look at that lady. She's holding something with absolutely zero hands. And so this is just more of the city. These are just the things. All the smoke coming out, it's just the smoke what people use in Africa. This is the kind of smoking thing. And so yeah, here there's lots of gold and stuff like that. There's lots of ancient pyramids. And then there's these things. There's even gold pyramids more ahead of us. And by the way, this aisle right here is the market. We went to the market and we're not buying anything, but we're checking it out. There's 5 cats. There's 7 cats here. There's lots of cats. There's a dog over there. This is like Florence, small roads. And so yeah, cars can really park here. Here's just a jewelry shop where we're not buying anything. And then we have more smoke things.